Some of the biggest financial advice channels on YouTube are from people like Ramit Sethi, Nisha Shah, Mark Tilbury, and Ali Abdaal. And they're incredible at what they do. Obviously, they're very successful. They have significantly more subscribers than I do. But here's a genuine question. Have any of them ever been in an insurmountable amount of debt, had no clue how a credit card worked, and had to slowly figure out their way out of a hole? Because I have, and I'm willing to bet if you're watching this video, so have you. So in this video, I want to explain why someone like me might actually be the better person to listen to when you're just starting out your financial journey, and why some of those gurus might make a lot more sense later on. First off, I need to be crystal clear here. This isn't a "these people are wrong" video. So if you're here for that, leave. The truth is that I've actually learned a ton from them, but their starting points were very different. Mark Tilbury started his entrepreneurial journey at 16. Nisha Shah was an investment banker. Ramit Sethi started investing when he was 14, and Ali Abdaal was literally a doctor. In other words, these are high performers who learned about money early and built incredible careers around it. But most people watching this channel, we didn't start there. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the laundry. Most of us started out somewhere that was a little messier. Credit cards we didn't understand, loans that stacked up fast, a vague feeling that we should probably know what we should be investing in, but no clue where to start. What I want this channel to be is a place where people who are still figuring this stuff out can learn from someone who was in their exact same spot. Not someone who avoided the financial mistakes, but someone who made them. And here's where the disconnect sometimes happens within the financial advice that you get online. A lot of it assumes you already have the basics under control. Investing strategies, portfolio allocations, tax optimizations. But if you're sitting there thinking, dude, I'm just trying to stop my credit card debt from piling up even higher, that advice can feel like someone trying to explain advanced swimming techniques to you while you're in the middle of the ocean. I know that feeling because I lived it for several years. At one point, I had 6 figures of debt with no financial education and no plan, just a growing pile of mistakes. But over time, by learning from people like the ones I mentioned earlier and actually applying those lessons in the real world, I slowly worked my way out of that hole, step by step, payment by payment, and eventually the debt disappeared. Which means the advice that I share here isn't just like a theory. It's the stuff that actually worked for someone who started out behind. So here's how I think about it. Creators like Ramit, Nisha, Mark, and Ali are amazing resources when you're building wealth and optimizing your money. But if you're still trying to fix your financial foundation, that's where someone like me might be a better guide. Because I've been exactly where you are. Confused and very overwhelmed, and wondering if it's even possible to turn things around. Spoiler, it is. So I'm curious, who are some of the finance gurus or creators that you follow or like watching? Drop them in the comments. I'm always looking for new people to learn from. And if you're someone who's still working your way out of a lot of financial messes, then stick around, subscribe, because that's exactly what this channel is about. And I'll see you next week.